Hey everybody, so I'm coming online to do a Sephora haul, and here we go. So inside my bag, I got tatcha, and this is the water cream. It's a 10 ml little jar of the water cream. And you also get the deep cleanse. And I used my Sephora points to get this duo. I already have a set, so in the future it may be a tatcha giveaway. I got Rise and Glow Drunk Elephant Duo. And it's the C Firma Day Serum and the B Hydra Intense Hydration Serum. I tried the hydration serum and I really liked it a lot. And then I saw this set on sale and I thought I should just get both of them because I've never tried the day serum. And this is just a regular serum. So I'm excited to try these little guys. They're 8 ml each. And they last for probably about a month. And I can't remember how much it cost me, but I think it was probably under $20. So great little trial size to try it out to see if you like any of the full-size products. You get 2 or 3 free samples from Sephora, so I got another card of Pat McGrath foundation samples. I already did a review on this. I didn't like it, but I thought I'd get another card for you guys to try, and so I'm going to put it probably in a giveaway. So, some sample packet. I also got a sample packet of Kate Somerville, and it's the Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. I have this in a deluxe sample size. I like it, and it's always great to have a small little traveling size to take to the cottage, but I might put it in a giveaway too. So that's what I got. And I got this palette. It's called Holographic. It's by Sephora. And there's the colors there. And it's a cheek and face palette. So here it is. And these are the highlighters. And I think this is a bronzer. And these are 2 blushes. So it's super pretty. Very pretty. Really big size of shadows or blushes. So it's super pretty. I got this on sale. I think it was under $10. So awesome deal. Last but not least, I got a code promo and I got to get Drunk Elephant. These are sample deluxe sizes of the Kokomo Glossing Shampoo and the Kokomo Maruna Cream Conditioner. So this was a promo, and they're really, really small, but great for testing, and they're 15 ml each. So shampoo and conditioner. I can't wait to try these little guys. And if I like them, then I'll buy a full size of them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.